Sir and my dear friends, there is a word in Bible, உன் வாய் அல்ல புறத்தியானே உன்னை புகழட்டும். So we should not appreciate ourselves, others should speak about you. So thank you so much for all of you for taking nice words on Richard. If I am talking about him really, I feel that I am boasting myself. Of course, really he is the very best husband. Always I thank God that God gives us husband as a husband in my life. Every day I thank Lord for giving him in my life. And he was the best father. Anything as they said. See, he will be working till 5 o'clock, 1 hour rest, and all the time taking them outside for tuition classes, music classes. Continuously he will be away from family. He will be taking care of them. So I just delivered them, that's all my duty. Remaining fully he carried at his back till this. So definitely they should be, those sons should be thankful to him. I didn't do anything for them, but he will be always delayed. Even now morning also my second son was delayed. Why he is coming to the railway station and dropping me? Now I have grown up. Till the train moves he won't come. And also about the restroom system, why he is telling, I know everything, he is not small. No. Morning 6 o'clock he will reach. 5:30 itself he will get up. Where are you at the station? I will be shouted him. After reaching definitely he will message. So he is that much attached. And moreover, I am always dependent. I cannot go alone wherever I want. I will be here somewhere. But recently now, I went to interview for KB Gilnahar. I don't want to go alone because trains. He will always like that I must be in a comfort zone. So don't go with the train. May take only 5 minutes time. But no, he put on one. And it was catching whether it goes in the correct direction or not. And just he ran up that now, only 1 minute left. We are going to get down in the Gilnahar. So each and everything, the way he looks in the family, I cannot say one by one, that much he care about the family also as well as the school. And when we join, you teachers should feel very happy that you have been posted in a very part of the city, that you near railway station and this. I was posted in Kerala in a remote area. That time, no phone. We should keep on write the letters. He was in Gujarat. So every day, as soon as immediately after coming back to school 2:40, I'll be buying a bundle of Indian letters. One day 7, 8 letters, sometimes 10 letters. Same day we will be writing. Every day the teachers in Kerala, madam, 10 letters, 10 Indian letters. That's what, because we cannot ring up. Even I forgot his face even. Yearly once only he can come and meet. In that day our life started. And even I want to ring up, I just ring up to the school. Then school stuff will take. And he will go and call me. By that time 800, 900 rupees bill will come. That salary was only 1,800 those days. So at one time if I want to talk him at least monthly, 900,000 rupees. Now we was so lucky that, so I don't want to say much of that. That somehow he got transferred from Gujarat to Minor Ground, and by mutual transfer I got transferred from Kerala to this. And because we told about him, all that will be loved by all the principals. First principal was Sita Lakshmi, will both work together. That Sita Lakshmi, if I say you don't feel, she is the Brahmin lady, such a nice lady, wonderful principal. When we work, sir, this work should be done only. This money should be only with you. She won't give it to anybody. This particular should be only with you. Whenever you do, you put to them. And before, we will be carrying 25,000, 30,000 to buy the prizes for the children and also for the teachers doing sports like this. Then I will tell the principal, madam, madam said we go together. We are handling this way, no GPay and all that. We carry the money and go. Madam, how can you believe us and you are giving this much money and you are sending us both? At least he said one more teacher, or he said another teacher with him. No, I have trust on you. I have trust on Richard. Why are you bothering? All the 5 years he used to carry 25,000, 30,000, we go to Paris, and with that much trust that madam had. Afterwards, Johnson Matthews, most of you don't think that he was now he retired as an assistant commissioner. He came. He completely will believe only Richard. Sir, this he should be only. He won't believe anybody. That much trust he had. He will be that much faithful to all the principals. Then Natarajan people, third principal. That time he had been posted to Kavaratti. Kavaratti is the long distance He was the best teacher and main member to be posted in probation period. So at that time they both were small kids. They struggled hard like anything. No helpers. That day Kanarajan sir, madam, social science exhibition is going. Please one day take leave and come, sir. He has to come by helicopter, then again aeroplane, then train, then auto. If you take time, just let it, because fully that the work was depending only him. Just 6 months he was temptation. All then when he is calling, how can he come? Because all the work will be given to him, he will be sincerely, he will be doing it, finishing, he knows where to purchase this, where to cook, order everything. Again, Swami sir came. He again, that time was posted in again. Sir, the drain, this drainage where it joins, this drainage was an island road, everything he is asking me up. Or this thing where I can go, patiently he will be replying. After joining here, I used to shout at him, you are a primary teacher, you are doing a good job or social science in PSP, what is the connection between this and that? At least try to say no for some work. He never said. Even teachers will ring up, are you a principal? I used to, so many times I used to quarrel. You are not a principal, everything you are answering, PGT is calling you, PGT is calling you, primary, your morning. Government is announced a holiday, children mass and high school is patiently will be replying. The call will come, but I will stop for my children. They should know that, but patiently will be asking that much patience he has again. And not only then again, after coming here, Lal sir, the best principal, he loved him. Again, Vijayalakshmi madam, I can talk volumes about him. Though that period he was deputed to Neyveli, there is no house was given, at least if he has a house given, he was the best cook, he will cook and eat. He was stayed in a lodge. Every day, parota. After 6 months, he became very sick and he got jaundice. We don't know what to do. Then madam, we requested another, madam was the assistant commissioner, he cried bitterly. Then again, he was VGPA. After reaching VGPA, his jaundice level went high. No principal will come to school, home and cry for a teacher. The Vijayalakshmi madam principal, you Richard sir, how much work I gave you? Because of me only I got this. I deputed him to Neyveli, I could have stopped you. He cried, he's crying me. Ma, he is just like a brother, don't see, he is touching and crying, he is lying in the bed. He is also crying. Then afterward, daily he used to come. As a principal, daily he used to come to the hospital. Then afterwards he was discharged, he was taking rest in school, in home. I was also taking leave and I was taking care of him. And often he will come and he asked me what help he want. Nothing, I can manage, because every day he must take an injection. I must take him to hospital to bring the patient. He is told, no, you don't need to trouble him. I sent my school nurse. Which nurse will be willing to come to teachers to give an injection, but that one accepted. But how she will come? Then she told the coach, you should take the nurse to, every day, almost 1 month she arranged. Really, I am very, very thankful to that Vijayalakshmi madam. Then afterwards, we were in doubt whether he will survive or not. His body became this. Seen some of the teachers also told again, coming back, HED is not possible. That much he went to higher level. Of course, our prayers, my parents' prayers, my relatives brought him back. Then afterwards also that madam told, hereafter I won't give any work. You don't need to do any work. Even you don't need to teach. Because of you teaching only their children will study it. So such a nice principle that afterwards Pranali madam came, she was very, she knows this. Then again sir came. Sir was also very kind and always used to stay first time I'm seeing him. Then not only the principals, when I am telling things, you will be loved by all the principals, all ACs and DCs. See, only the 3 years he didn't escort any ACs and DCs. Every year, Salim sir, even another one tall DC, the commissioner he must go. So why? Because they are calling him not, he will be patient, he will drive the car, he is very polite. Mani sir, when DC came, he won't attach to anybody. One day that we are told one fellow is very calm, he is drive. I want only that person to drive for me. That time around 2 o'clock, our education minister Javadekar is coming. He is going to felicitate him for this Richard was needed. Again, when Rajeshwari madam was there, she will call only. Even then she comes to even BGP also she will call only because he is driving slowly and comfortable. All the, even Salim sir will come with the family, he can get a car and come, he will call him by 12 o'clock, please, I'm coming with the daughter. Like that, all the DCs and ACs at any time, just like that, they will call him. And he won't say no, but I will be fighting with him, trying to say no for someone. Why you are accepting everything? How can you work for everybody? That DC is sick, go and get the appointment for the doctor. He will be standing. But above all, he won't give up his teaching. That is the main thing. Some teachers will say, principal is giving this work, that one, so I can relax a little for academics. No, he won't give up. He will be always used to tell, I have been paid only for my teaching, not for helping others, leaves and anything. So definitely. And every year, his report, especially the grand inspection report, will be the best. And whoever comes, they used to say that being male, nobody will work this much and nobody will use this much TLMs. That inspiration he got from me. I am mad of TLM meeting, classroom teaching, everything. I'm good in singing. Actually, his voice won't be that much good. But he also wanted to sing. Now he is singing for everywhere than me. And I will be discussing about the subject and activity only. Tomorrow I have said this song is very nice. I feel like I'm teaching to children. You sing one time, he will say, listen. Very next day he will come with an activity. Before that he will implement in his class and come. I used to say, I have only one time taught. Why can't you do after that? That much is mad of doing activity after seeing that. So whatever TLMs I'm collecting, he will use for that. In that way, always he will be discussing my work, my CPD courses. He will do my. Even then, he won't sleep. Whatever I need, he will be very much take care of him. My dressing, you should go like this. You should be flower like this and go. Nobody will enjoy even in this. I should be proud. Now it is a Lent days, we cannot eat flour. Usually Christians, no, when you eat flour, you are looking good, no, God will forgive, don't worry. So in that way, he will be taking care of each and everything. By seeing my hair, itself, important moment you are using. Even by seeing my face itself, he will understand something is bothering her. Something is worrying, she is worried. Sometimes I think it's taking to tell him, by seeing my face expression, my mood, everything, he will understand. Something is bothering me, what is that? So even then before I had long hair, weekly once I'll take bath. If I'm taking hair bath, evening flower will be there. Okay, then only. So everything, even now he will have asked, he also said he's a very simple man. He used to say that don't buy shirt more than 300 rupees. You buy anything. But I never went shopping with him. If I go for 1 lakh, buy immediately. If I'm not buying, quarrel. The saree is 20,000 rupees, buy. If I'm not buying, quarrel. Then I stop. If I go, I should buy. He won't least bother about money. Spending anything for anybody, even for children, whatever they are asking, no. Even I want this necklace, this 5 lakhs to buy. No, never. But at the time of marriage, he said, whatever I earn, I give in your hand. Only 3 times food is enough for me. But don't allow me to borrow from anybody. That is the only point at the time of wedding, he said. Till now he is following. He's a very simple man. Of course, he has worked for the school like anything more than that. And for example, now we are living in a house. We got a new house. But still now we are almost 5 years back, 6 years back. Still we are not shifted. Most of the people used to ask. People will give the old house for rent and new house they will go and settle. But I felt this house was more attached. I delivered the 2 sons only there. I got all the wealth and health and happiness. I didn't like to leave the 4 walls. I didn't like to leave the house and go to the new house. So now, like that everybody will feel, no, if I leave the house, even the no new house I don't want, I want the old, because I am that much attached to the building. So now, even for non-living thing, they are so attached. Now after working 30 years, leaving the school teachers, leaving the school campus, the school work, of course it will be affecting him. Everybody will affect. But being the lady, somehow we will manage, we will have so many household activities. But being a male, I think we have no work hours and no to be allotted. I don't know how he is going to manage for another days. Of course God will give some show, but anyhow it is part and parcel of our life. We have to accept it. After working 30-35 years, then we need rest. So that God is giving up to 60 years. So many people are not living till 60 years. They are feeling health issues. They are getting VRS. But really, I thank the Lord Almighty for showering blessing on him. And till his retirement life, he has been healthy. And so many teachers love him. Even who, as I said, no, wherever Winston said, wherever he goes, they all will remember Richard. They won't be remembering me because I am such a rude type. He is completely opposite to me. And one more incident I wanted to tell. In the year 2000, particularly I forgot, he got severe back pain. Doctor said the one hand was completely numb. It will raise up to drain. Completely he will dead. He's crying like anything. They are telling operation is important. Otherwise he cannot survive. He's telling if I am not surviving also I cannot operate. We had admitted him in the Vijay hospital. They are not discharging him. He's crying. My brother-in-law said, day after tomorrow is the inspection. He was working in TGT Maths in KV Ashok. He's telling the inspection is more important. I will take care of him. You go and attend. That day no phone call. Back. I didn't even think back. Just later he went for the treatment. They admitted him. They were small kids. I don't know to get the auto. That time I don't know anything. My brother-in-law he is working in Ashok. He is taking care of him. I don't. But some of the master friends saw him from KPIG. That time he told I 4 days over till today my wife will see me a bad. But brother-in-law inspection is very important. That time nowadays after announcing the even inspection date, most of the teachers are taking leave and going. I don't know how I was so mad like that. Then after evening, after the meeting, I'm getting an auto, I'm keeping the small children and going and seeing after 1 day. That time he's crying, somehow you discharge me. I don't want any operation. Doctors are telling they are not discharging. We don't know what to do. Then I ran up to some of my island friends. They said, one of our teachers, she's retired, some name different. Her son is working as a doctor in that hospital. Where can I get the number? They are searching for the number. Somehow one teacher found that number. This is what gave me. They told, madam, this is Richard is admitted in the hospital. They need some help. Then she told, Richard sir, somehow I should help. Richard sir, even I don't know his name. The words only, they gave the number to me and spoke to them. And this is what your son is working in they are not discharging my husband. Somehow I take him to another hospital. Please help him. That time madam is telling, no, my son went 2 years before the result to abroad. What to do? He is not working. Before he was working with Vijay. Then that the madam ran up to her son that one of my best teacher is in hospital. Somehow you talk to the Vijay hospital doctors and help him. From there he ran up to some other lady doctor. That lady, the doctor searched and came to her room, who is Mr. Richard, everything. Then I told everything. People are telling only operation. He doesn't like it. Even for a small injection, then he will shout like that. He won't even take a small injection. We both are afraid of that. That time only, after she told only that he was discharged, then after the intervention he took some other treatment and he recovered. That is also full of grace of the Lord Almighty only. Why? Because I am telling this, by seeing his work, people are ready to help him anywhere. Wholeheartedly, sincerely has worked for his conscience. So all of you also work like that. You will be identified with your work. We all have been paid a very good salary. That my son always said, no institution is giving this much handful salary, handsome salary. Nowadays they have been got order everywhere 35,000, 40,000 maximum. But our KB teachers are getting very handsome. So all of you will work sincere to our conscience, our name and fame everywhere. Above all, God will see our work and help us. Thank you for giving me the